A wobbly ceiling fan can be both annoying and potentially unsafe. To address this issue and balance your ceiling fan, we can follow these steps. Before attempting any adjustments, turn off the ceiling fan and wait for the blades to stop turning. Inspect all the screws and connections to the fan, including those attaching the blades and the blade brackets to the fan motor. Tighten any loose screws or connections. Ceiling fan blades can sometimes be slightly unbalanced, leading to wobbling. To balance the blades, you can use a blade balancing kit. These kits typically include self-adhesive weights that you can attach to the top side of the blades. Alternatively, you can use a coin or another small weight, attach the weight to the top side of the blade, and turn on the fan to see if the wobbling has increased or decreased. Continue adjusting the weight and testing until you achieve balance. Ensure that all blades are aligned and positioned at the same angle. If one of the blades is misaligned or was installed improperly, this can create the wobbling effect. Make sure the mounting bracket that attaches the fan to the ceiling is securely fastened. A loose mounting bracket can create wobbling. If your fan has a down rod, ensure the down rod is properly secured to the fan and has not become loose. The down rod connects the motor housing to the mounting bracket. Check the motor housing for any damage or misalignment. If the motor housing is not secure or has been damaged, it may contribute to the wobbling. Remember to always follow safety precautions when working with electrical appliances. If you're unsure about any of the balancing process, please consult a professional.